Hello dear traders, let us review the major economic events of the past week. Last week, US dollar index edged up by 0.2%, while Dow Jones rose 0.4%. At the very end of 2015, investors prefer staying out of the market and rebalancing their investment portfolios amid mixed economic data. Economic reports were positive on Tuesday and Wednesday. In US, the December Consumer Confidence Index was above the forecast. The growth in November pending home sales was above expectations. Nevertheless, on Thursday, the unexpectedly low December PMI was released in Chicago, which caused negative reaction on financial markets. On Friday, January the 1st, most of global financial markets were closed due to the New Year holiday. The Forex and stock trading in Eurozone and Japan was thin last week. On Monday, the conditions changed dramatically. In China, the manufacturing PMI fell for the 10th straight month in December. Investors were concerned with possible world economic slowdown, which pushed down almost all stock market indices. Nevertheless, the US dollar was almost flat due to the weaker yuan, which supported the dollar. Escalation of tensions between Iran and Saudi Arabia since the start of the year was another important development which supported the oil and gold prices. In our opinion, the most important economic report of the current week will be the December US jobs report due for release on Friday. The tentative outlook is neutral, but actual data may surprise. Currently, the US unemployment is expected to remain at 5%. Also, China's December external trade data will come out on Friday, which are expected to be negative. This may have a negative impact on commodity and financial markets. In the middle of the week, some less important macroeconomic statistics will be released, which, however, may influence the markets. On Wednesday, the ADP payroll report, the trade balance and factory orders will be released. The tentative outlook is quite weak, and actual data may disappoint investors. This week will be eventful in Eurozone. On Tuesday, the inflation data will be released. On Wednesday, various PMIs and producer price index. On Thursday, the unemployment data, consumer confidence and retail sales. Later in the week, the Germany's economic data are expected. This was all for the week. We wish you happy trading and see you next week.